Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand dishwasher and you're getting an E03 error and you're wondering what is this error and can I get rid of it? So the E03 error, what it is a control board error. It's throwing up an electronic error on the control board. And what you need to do to get rid of this error is to reset power to your machine. So you need to turn it off and then disconnect it from power completely. So that's unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit if it's hardwired. And you need to leave it disconnected from power for at least 30 seconds. Now once you've done that, you can restore power to it and turn it back on. And that will clear out this E03 error. If the error does persist or if it comes back, then you're going to need to call a technician or call Bosch support to see what's going on, because this is not just something that there's an easy fix beyond doing a hard reset on the machine. But hopefully by doing the hard reset, that will clear it out and get your machine working again. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.